Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to Pretty and Innovative Things. I welcome all of you with this new video and so many best wishes and prayers that may Almighty keep all of us safe and secure. My dear friends, this video is going to give you very beautiful and amazing design and ideas collection of baby sleep sacks or knapsacks. These are so beautiful, these look so cute, and there are so many amazing benefits of using baby sleep sacks. We will discuss these in this video. And the one thing is that if you are nowadays working or thinking to make something like a baby sleep sack nowadays for your own babies, or if you are a grandmother who is trying to find some ways or ideas to make sleep sack for her grandchildren, or you are a person whose friend is going to get a baby soon and you are wishing to make something cute, a very cute and beautiful gift for her baby, then this is the ideal time for you because you are having plenty of free time, and now you can use this free time to make cute and beautiful things. And whenever we gift someone, gifting actually spreads love, happiness, positivity, and it brings harmony, peace, love, and so many good things to life. You can see these are cute designs and very beautiful, and everyone loves these kind of cute creations because they are so cute, and whenever we actually use them with babies they become super cute. You can see the pictures are a proof to my saying. And when we talk about the benefits of using sleep sacks, then I have seen so many researches, and it says that instead of using loose blankets for sleep, it is recommended that we use sleep sacks to families of babies who are less than 1 year old. And loose blankets in the crib can cover your baby's face and cause breathing problems too. And sleep sacks help babies sleep safely by decreasing the chance of suffocation. And other benefits of using a sleep sacks also include, like, sleep sacks provide a feeling of security, like when your baby was in the womb. And sleep sacks can be used for swaddling. Swaddling is a great way to soothe and calm a fussy baby. And swaddling can also improve sleep by preventing the startle reflex, you can say sudden movements, which can cause your baby to wake up. So these are amazingly beneficial for the baby. You don't have to look for the cuteness and style. Along with that, you have to see that there are benefits of using them. So when we come to children or babies, especially the infants, newborns, we are so much cautious about that. We are so much concerned about them because it is not something to be ignored about the babies. They are so cute and so you can say a kind of so soft creature that we have to take extra care of them. And sleep sacks help babies maintain the correct body temperature also without becoming overheated from too many blankets. And babies are at higher risk of sleep related kind of problems if they become overheated. I think all the moms understand this problem because when someone actually experiences to be a mom, she knows very well what happens, what to do and what not to do. So they may well understand what I'm saying. And if you do not have a sleep sack for your baby, and you are planning to have one, or you even have not planned till yet, then plan it just now and make it just now, because it would look so cute, it would be beneficial at so many points for your kid. It will look so comfortable because when we talk about babies, one thing is very important, that we are going to use the materials that are super comfortable, because when it comes to babies we cannot at all compromise on comfort. The one and only thing at first priority must be their comfort. They must not feel discomforted of the things that we are going to make them wear, their dresses, their shoes, and anything. For example, if they are baby girls, you should use the headbands that are super comfortable for them. Never go for the things that irritate the babies, because it is very important for their health that we are going to use the things that make them feel so relaxed, so peaceful, and doesn't make them feel irritated at all. And when we come to crochet, crochet is such a beautiful thing that we all love it, and it is super comfortable. There is no second opinion about crochet that it is not comfortable. Yes, when it comes to adding some like ornament, like pearls or anything, so don't use any kind of pearls or any other things that can make your baby feel irritated or harm the baby in any way. So try to make these things as simple as you can. Use the soft yarn, you can also use the bubble kind of pattern, and this one is a kind of pineapple pattern. You can use whatever you want and whatever you are liking. And I request you, if you are here watching me for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more beautiful videos. And if you are liking this video, like this video, and if you are wishing to see something else, let me know in the comment section. Take care of yourselves, take care of your babies, take care of your families and all the people that are around you. Thank you so much.